in your pussy. So I saw the man drop the big 12-inch in your hole, not even little grease. You can't tell no girl about tight hole or little hole. No tight hole no move like your hole. Or your hole for tight and a man drop a 15-inch in height, so not even with little grease, girl. You can't tell no girl about little pussy. You a foundation or a big hole. When God give you a big hole, you turn up in front of the line, so no girl could get no big pussy again, girl. You can't class no girl around here. Big hole, Shayy. You can't class no girl on the planet, yeah? I'm gonna have video on my phone and man take them blood clot 15-inch out and wet up blood clot pampers and drop in your precipice. What that girl hear about? Watch the girl on her head in front of King down here. Why? Watch the girl like shadow something sexy. When the girl comes so why? Watch the girl. Mr. Two blood clots. Watch her when she don't dance to now. Your pussy wet up. Your fake blood clot friend them on the life. Should I tell you? Before we post, I make the media know. You have the fakest blood clot crew. You're there for your head, girl, and your pussy wet up on your jaws, teeth and the crotches color change. And none of your blood clot. Yes, girl, in the comment section can say, bossy, come down, the pussy stink and the jaws wet up. Them have to wait till sky diamond. Get the screen recording and say, I me tell Vanny, I me send blood clot I Vanny screen recording. I say, Vanny, you know see your shape, pussy a drain and wet up and the jaws scratches teeth. Vanny say I lie, I tell me say, I'm not telling a lie. And King down here did it, and the next one name Atta say, Shayy, your pussy wet up, and Vanny say I lie. I say, alright Vanny, me go send you the blood clot video. Yeah, I'm here to spread it. I'm going to post it. I'm going to call everybody when I like it. I say, oh, no, see it. And who say they don't see me, send them a video. Your pussy think. Yeah, your pussy rotten. Rotten. You can't class Rosalie, no day, no time, no out, girl. I saw me say me buy out anywhere me want buy out. And that warrior, me stand up firm with my matic as a gun girl. Steady with the matic. You can't class Rosalie, no day, no time, no out, no minute, no blood clot second. How dare you? This a warrior, me buy it out clean. Leave Rosalie and make me a war girl. Me buy it out clean. Cause you don't have no caliber to argue with blood clot Rosalie. You know why? Use a slim blood clot girl and me see up on your head in a pink jaws and the crotch is green. And a very regular me watch Rosalie sit down in front of her phone for hours I beg. And the jaws scratch is never wet. So you can't class Rosalie. You're mad, man. You're mad. You have a class Rosalie.